about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. There's something about her.
One is going to do. Another vlog. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. And yeah, I'm going to eat. I'm hungry. I've been inside since yesterday. I did not eat. I don't know why, but my appetite is so poor. But I feel like I'm getting headache because of that, because I'm not eating. So I want to eat local food, but I don't want to eat one dish. So that's why I'm not preparing food, and I'm alone. I cannot eat alone. That's my weakness. But anyway, I'm going to go to a local restaurant and get something to eat. After, I'm going to go to the market side. I'm going to shop on Sunday, on my birthday. I have a visitation for my girls. Their VD is on 27th, so I have to go and visit them, because if I don't, no one is going to do that. Yeah, I want to make for them daddies. I make good daddies. I want to make for them daddies, because in most cases when you buy from the shops and all that, they are always hard and they are young. So I want them to at least enjoy them. So I'm going to make daddies. I'm going to go and shop those things, and I'm going to show you. I'll be vlogging here and there, but I cannot record the whole process because it is a lot of work. So tomorrow I'm resuming my workout sessions. It's been 2 months ever since I stopped working out. So tomorrow I'm going to resume my workouts. We are going to start with 3 days a week, and then maybe I'll adjust if I get time, and then when I get used to it. So tomorrow is Friday. I'm going to work out tomorrow and Saturday, and then resume on Monday, because on Sunday it's going to be a fixed one. Yeah. Hey, I'm back home. I'm going to unbox this, guys. I took more than I expected, but yeah, let's unbox this and then we start making daddies, because it's a long process and it is currently 5 p.m. Oh, guys, let me adjust the camera. Let's start with this. So about tangauzi in Swahili, in Uganda it's called tangauzi, and English ginger. Okay, some of you call it ginger, but I call it ginger. Whatever you call it. I've also bought eggs because we need them. I hope my voice is okay, the volume, because I've not used the microphone. I bought eggs. Imagine I have and they peeled for me because I really didn't have the morale of peeling it at home. So I'm going to wash it, steam some. I only steam it. I steam it. I don't cook. I don't boil it. Is it called boiling? Cook it. This is for 3K. It's insane. It is too much. She peeled for me yams and greens, specifically these ones. What is here? These are matoke. Just going to put them in the refrigerator because I don't want to suffer with food. Someone just gave me these. We rarely take tea here, so it's not a big deal. This is sugar for daddies. I bought 1 kg. It will be enough. And this is the flour. This is the flour that we are going to use. I hope you can hear me. We needed baking powder, and this is an orange for me because I'm a gym buddy. I also bought milk. I came back like an hour ago, but I was too tired for me to film this. So I bought milk, but I bought this one because it works better than the milk that is packed, the packed one, you know. We need fresh milk. So I bought a liter, and those are the things that we're going to use. I hope I will be in position to film for you in a few steps, but let's start because it's really a long journey. Tinsaza kabiri nenyuma sitela kugolola ngoloddeko mpakinze ng'emiwula gy'offene bambyulyeko. Tugenda kukola daddies. We are going to make daddies, crunchy, soft, sweet daddies. Sitela kugolola ngoloddeko mpakinze ng'emiwula gy'offene bambyulyeko. Tingeregeze nazina byekolelo. Tugenda kukola 4 kilograms, these 2 packets. So I'm going to use literally 8 eggs. Ebijanjalo kumanywa nabijjeko. Nakwesunga dda nga tukyali amapeera n'ettamamo. Kati gwe nkwetegekedde nakunyina kagato. Nutty. So we are going to use a whisk to tugakube paka wegakula. Paka wegaswela soft. 8 eggs are enough in 4 kilograms, but if you want, of course you can add. I'm going to add sugar at once. Yeah. Already measurement is mine, so I don't have to measure. I'm an expert in this thing. Of course, you put sugar depending on your preference, and of course, the amount of sugar depends on how sweet you want them to be, and then the eggs, how soft you want them to be. And we are going to put lemon. I boiled this is ginger plus cinnamon. Ginger for softening it, and then cinnamon for a good scent. Yeah, because I did not buy vanilla, I have to use cinnamon. It works really well. Lemon is going to be for lemon igina yambako na yok softeninga no butononeka. I don't want to put lots of preservatives in my daddies because I just don't want. And most of them are processed, so I prefer using natural things. That's why we chola baneno chibadde fresh, you know. Nothing like processed foods here. So I'm going to whisk this paka webikola, okay?
Guess who is back home?
Slide the pain away, slide the pain away, slide the pain away, slide the pain away. Slide the pain away, slide the pain away, slide the pain away, slide the pain away.
So literally, if you see this, when you start seeing this, you better answer for me the results that you want. So I'm going to pre-whisk it for like 5 more minutes, and then yeah, we're going to add our milk. So guys, I'm done. What's this? Mazogo, but I'm not going to do it today, like all of it. So I've made it. It is too much. I even separated it, so this is how it should be, like this. This is so soft. By tomorrow it's going to be okay. Then we have this one too. This is kind of hard. Oh, it has softened actually. It is okay, so I'll do it tomorrow. I'm very tired, but at least the biggest part is done. So I'm going to leave them here. Yeah, up tomorrow. It will be safe.
Ooh, it's something about, just something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. 'Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure and nails or something pedicure boss. She's fly effortlessly. And she move like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting it all. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Ooh, the way she shine. It's independent.
Hi guys, and welcome back to yet another vlog on my channel. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, like the video and comment. We just from doing our night skincare routine, we are tired and I just decided to catch a movie, a few episodes. I'm watching Blacklist. Yeah, and then tomorrow we have a long day. I'm going to the gym very early in the morning. In the evening we have to come back, do other things and also make some diaries. So guys, it's been long since I made these voiceovers, but I've been missing you. Let's watch. Hey lads, welcome back to my channel. Guess who is going back in the gym after 2 months? Now, after 2 months I'm going back in the gym because I had taken a break for some reasons, but guess what, we lost every gain that we had got before, but that's not our worry. We didn't lose the body is still in shape. This is my top that I'm wearing. I got it from Shein 2 years ago, and this is my second time to wear it because I gave out my clothes. I donated 90% of my clothes, so literally I don't have anything to wear. We are soon starting on like our goal to make our dream closet because we hate wearing uniforms. But anyway, I'm going to the gym. I'm wearing black, all black. Let me adjust the camera for you and then you see the band that I'm wearing. Wearing this top, New York, and then I'm also wearing this skin jean. It's a good one. And then I'm also taking my bag. Now here I have my gym wears, shoes and all that, plus I have my breakfast. Now I'm not used to eating in the morning before, but when you're doing gym you have to at least take a meal before. So I just made 2 eggs and then my coffee. It's here. I think I'll eat at around 11 because that's usually the time that I take my breakfast. I think I'll go to sauna too, steam and sauna for like an hour or 2, and then yeah, I'll come back home and then do other things. I'm uploading a video on the farm. By the time you see this, I think it will be up already. So on my second channel, on the farm, go and watch it and tell me what you think about it, and make sure you subscribe guys. You're watching these videos but you're not liking, kindly like the videos. I know sometimes you forget, and yeah, I'm just reminding you to like the video. Anyway, let's go to the gym.
Come here, wait till the body. Green body make I roll, come here. I know you seen your me. I get the money passing your papa. Wait till you one way I know feel do for you. Why you want the book and more? Share you big kiss than the knee. You better drop your body and more. So good, so free with this body. Make you run, I'm on a low key. Baby, you know me. Take it to suck a move where you know. Please, come make a drive up. Come make a drive, kiss on that low. Baby, allow me. If you want me, allow me. See body, oh.
Hey guys, I'm I'm actually almost done with my workouts, and I wanted to show you my skin. Now, the fact that I've resumed to working out is going to be really nice. It's already okay compared to last month, but yeah, that is it. I've grown fat. Like, look at me. I don't like this, but of course, it's going to be off in a few, like in a few. Okay. Enjoying it.